The global electric grill market is projected to reach $2.44 billion by 2024 and expand to $4.94 billion by 2034, growing at a 7.3% CAGR. Electric grills are gaining popularity due to their energy efficiency and versatility for indoor cooking. The youth will soon surpass baby boomers as the top buyers of domestic electric grills, especially in North America and Europe. Manufacturers like Weber are innovating with cost-effective connected electric grills, targeting emerging markets. Consumers' preference for homemade grilled meals and the convenience of electric grills are boosting market growth. Germany and the US lead the electric grill market, driven by a love for grilling and barbecue. Built-in electric grills are in high demand for their seamless integration, modern look, and efficient cooking performance. Households are the largest end users of electric grills, preferring them for their convenience and suitability for indoor use.